Preparing for exams usually means going through hundreds of pages of notes, PDFs, screenshots, and handwritten documents. ExamPrepAI helps you revise faster by turning your own notes into important questions, short answers, and revision material using AI. Let me show you how it started and sign into your account. New users receive 30 free AI credits every month, so you can start using the app right away. This is your dashboard. From here, you can generate study material, manage all your notes, check your remaining credits, and send feedback directly from the Help section. Click on Generate, give your notes a title, and upload your study material. ExamPrepAI supports regular PDFs, scanned PDFs, and images of handwritten notes. The AI reads your uploaded notes and creates study material based on your content. It doesn't generate random topics. It focuses on the notes you provide. Once processing is complete, you'll get 3 types of study material: important questions for revision, concise answers based on your notes, and revision notes that make it easier to review key concepts before your exam. Every generated note is saved in your dashboard. You can search for notes, open them again anytime, or delete the ones you no longer need. ExamPrepAI is currently in beta. If you find a bug or have an idea for a new feature, you can send feedback directly through the Help page. ExamPrepAI is free to try with 30 AI credits every month. If you find it useful, I'd love to hear your feedback. The link is in the description. Happy studying!